This is Shareconnect.
Right. This is Shareconnect. The CS icon. It's already available in the Worx apps as one of the Worx apps. So what Shareconnect does is you first install the Shareconnect agent on your either a physical computer or a virtual computer,
Right.
and then it decomposes the desktop into components like apps, files, and your full desktop, and then delivers it in a very native app-like format. So what I'm going to show you here is.
So this is so we have
It's taking a little while because of the Wi-Fi.
Got a busy Wi-Fi here.
Oh yeah.
12,000 attendees. Okay. Okay, so here's your Zen Mobile computer VM right here, right?
The Zen Mobile, and then that's
like a
the
home
office
computer
one.
office. That's a
It's
physical.
at the office. That's a physical computer.
Yeah.
That's exactly right. So what it does is it's automatically connecting to the previously used computer, so you don't have to have unnecessary tabs. Like if you have just a single computer, it'll automatically connect to it. You just bring the app up and you're in you're accessing all that. WorxChat is so what you can see right here is it first brings up your recently used files, which is most likely what you want to access.
Right.
And at the bottom are your apps that are on the desktop but shown in a very native manner. And you can access your file explorer, which again shows your entire desktop in a very native access. And you could even access your connected network drives, SharePoint, whatever is mapped to your
Right.
VM
A whole lot
desktop.
easier than trying to do a long press on the start button, open up Explorer.
Exactly. And then navigating. And let me open up an app and show you what it does. So an app, it directly opens, it resizes it to fit the dimensions of the iPad.
Right.
Does a few nice things, like if you tap on editable fields, it automatically pops up the
right.
keyboard.
So in a native, VDI, session or receiver session of your remote desktop, when you press into an editable field, it doesn't pop up the keyboard.
It doesn't pop it up, right?
Yeah, you've got to hit tap here, then go up to the menu, choose the keyboard.
Yeah, exactly.
Here I tap into a field, and just like a native app. Well, you saw it there. It did. Oh, there you go. Okay, it popped up the keyboard. And then you've got this menu up here. Explain that.
Right. So this is another contextual menu. I could either hide it or pull it out. So what it's doing is it's taking the most commonly used actions of an app and then showing it as native form. So on an email, it's most likely a new email, a new meeting, or a new appointment.
Right.
So just tapping on new email opens up a new email compose without me having to go and find that.
Right. Otherwise, if there's a standard remote desktop or VDI desktop, you'd have to go and find.
You'd have to go and find it. And precision click that.
Yeah, a tiny little icon here for the new email, or to go to File, New. Here you've got this nice big finger-sized button.
Exactly. And then switching between apps is made much easier with sort of a native app switcher. Shows you full thumbnail, full previews of the windows.
Yeah, I know. A lot of times you go into your desktop and you know which apps you had open last, but you get to the desktop. Okay, where is it? Here, you can find it right away.
You can find it right here, and you can even close Windows by a single swipe.
Yep. Nice.
And then also wanted to show you on Chrome, showing you the top contextual menu has changed.
Okay.
So it's
so here's all the action. New tab in Chrome, close, reopen last tab. Nice history. Again, a lot of those you'd have to. The buttons may not be just the right size. Might be hard to find.
Exactly. It'll be hard to find, and sometimes it's hidden inside menus. So this brings it all out in a single tab.
To me, this app makes a VDI desktop just actually usable. On a form factor of a tablet or a phone.
Great. So that's Shareconnect chat. So a couple of things is
this is WorxChat. Now this ties in with Link on the back end, right?
Right, ties in with Link. I can send a message, and you can see that it says that it's sent, but it hasn't been seen yet by the recipient. Let me just the phone that I sent the message to. The moment I open this and see it, the moment I receive the message and I've seen this message, it changes the status over here to seen.
So you can
cool. Also get to know
whether or not someone's actually seeing.
Whether they actually see the message or not. And it's completely secure.
Nice.
So that's WorxChat. also allows you to take some standardized templates and have users enter information into those forms in a very native way. So let's take an example of this one. It's a pretty standard form, allows you to enter all the information. One pretty cool thing here is I could take a photo and attach it into the form.
Nice.
So let's say I want to take a picture of this and I say use photo. It's putting it into the form. It uses the share file as a backend, so it securely stores that data in share file. You could use connectors to put it on SharePoint or any of the connectors.
Well, I mean, since they're forms and they have data, can you push it to a database or SQL or something?
Yeah, you could push it in. I'm not sure if they can do that right now, but that's definitely going to be coming in.
Okay.
Push it into any of your existing data stores.
Nice.